Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple is launching its most anticipated iPhone 17 line in the coming months. Here is the latest report regarding the Apple iPhone 17 launch date, price, design, camera upgrades, colors, phone specifications and more. So let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is gearing up for the launch of its next generation iPhone 17 series lineup in September, bringing notable upgrades over the iPhone 16 lineup. Reports indicate that Apple will introduce 4 models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max or Ultra, while dropping the Plus variant. The standard iPhone 17 is expected to feature an improved display and a major front camera upgrade. Let's take a look at what we know so far about the iPhone 17 model. Design and display. Apple is expected to retain the vertical dual-camera design from the iPhone 16, but may slightly increase the display size to 6.3 inches, similar to the iPhone 16 Pro. A significant upgrade could be the introduction of a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate for the standard model, a feature that was previously limited to Pro models. Additionally, Apple may add an anti-reflective scratch-resistant coating to improve durability. Expected phone specifications. The iPhone 17 is rumored to be powered by Apple's next-generation A19 chip, built on an improved 3nm process technology. Like its predecessor, it is expected to feature 8 GB of RAM. While no major battery changes are expected, the chipset could enhance power efficiency. Moreover, it will have upgraded iOS 19 with new AI capabilities. Camera upgrades. One of the most exciting changes could be in the selfie camera. Apple is rumored to introduce a 24-megapixel front camera with a 6-element lens, doubling the resolution from the 12-megapixel sensor used in the iPhone 16. The rear camera system is likely to remain unchanged, featuring a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Color options. Leaked reports suggest the iPhone 17 could be available in white, black, blue, and pink. However, Apple might introduce additional shades closer to launch. Expected launch date. Apple usually announces new iPhones in September, and the iPhone 17 series is expected to debut between September 11 to September 13, 2025. Expected price. Pricing is expected to be similar to the iPhone 16, with the base model likely to start at $799 in the United States. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.